Hello everyone, my name is Alejandra Carrillo. I am a student of UNAD. Today I will do the practice of speed and improving. The part 3, question 1 of 1. My answers are: the advantage of studying and working is that you have financial support of your needs. The disadvantage is that there is a lot of physical and mental fatigue from working and studying. What is your own opinion? My opinion, or that I think that working and studying at the same time is a sacrifice, and the important thing is so fit for your dreams even if it's difficult. Thank you very much.